Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have got my Himi gouache set and I am painting some bugs. So some beetles. I have a little bit more water in the gouache than I thought I had picked up. So that bottom layer of blue isn't quite as opaque as I normally would have it. Still getting used to these brushes. These are Himi brushes, that mint one that I'm using there. And so, yeah, still getting used to that. But anyways, just layering on some color. Now I've got some black, drawing the antennae and then those little sections down his back there. Sorry for my voice, still getting over a cold when I'm recording this. Going in now, just kind of trying to make some reflective colors with some pinks, some whites eventually. Yeah, I don't know what it is about bugs in real life. I'm not a big fan, but they are interesting to look at when they're not living, so to speak. I don't like them crawling on me or in my house. I don't mind them outside, but yeah. So I'm mixing a shade there just to get a little bit of lighter color. So I'm just adding some white to that on that little palette that does come with that Himi gouache set. I will leave links below. You can check all those out for my stores, affiliate links, all that good stuff. Also, if you could hit like and subscribe, that would be wonderful. So now here I am with the white and just trying to give different shapes and things and outlines just to give some dimension. Gouache is a funny bug. It's like the benefits of acrylic with the benefits of watercolor and then a matte finish. So, so it's kind of, yeah, an interesting thing. So I've been playing around with this Himi set. I do have the Arteza gouache, which I do like. It's just, with the tubes, you have to, be more, sometimes not organized. It's nice to just lift the lid and paint, with the little jelly cups. And if you spray them with water, they do rehydrate. So that works out great. Now I'm going in. This is a little set of metallics that I have and just giving some highlights. It's hard to see on the video, but in real life, you can see a little bit of a shimmer there, and bugs have a bit of an iridescent quality to them. Here you can see the little swatches on the left side of some of the colors that I'm doing, and got sort of an olivey green there and some coordinating colors, and I like those colors. I tend towards those most often. I'm an autumn girl. And so this bug's gonna feature those, but I'm also making some papers and things to coordinate with this. So they're great for using in crafting. Who doesn't love bug paper in the end, right? If nothing else, it's a conversational piece when you give someone a card with some bug craft paper on it. But anyways, going ahead and giving him some legs and some sections there. Do you guys like bugs? If you like insects and bugs, leave your comments down below. It'd be nice to see someone else have that. But they seem to come in and out of style. I think people do. They're so interesting. It's amazing what can be carried on 6 legs. But yeah, there's so many different kinds that it is pretty neat. I'm getting a yawn here. Sorry about that. Just trying to get over this cold. I don't know. You know how it is. Moms can't call in sick, so you just kind of keep going and keep going. But I had a good 6-week stint where I didn't have a virus. I had other mechanical issues, but I didn't have a virus. And so, yeah, I'm pretty amazed that I made it that long without getting sick. I tend to get sick about 10 months out of every year, and then I've developed this chronic fatigue syndrome from that. Sadly, I've had shingles twice, so my immune system's kind of kaput. So yeah, I just go down and paint. I'm thankful I can do things from home, and that our family were able to do that. So anyways, yeah, going in with my Posca pens because I have to. And they just give that little touch. Then you can draw with them very easily, which is nice. And it's hard to pick up on the camera here, but the turquoise goes really nicely with those other colors. I hope you enjoyed that buggy video, and maybe you'll give those a try or something like that. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. I hope you have a great day, a peaceful day, and a profitable day, and industrious day. And that's what I'm always shooting for. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.